Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to do a little experiment. I was curious to see how efficient a tampon would be opposed to cotton pads, using them as a multi-purpose fire starter. Feel free to check my previous DIY homemade cotton pad fire starter tutorial. So first step, I'm going to melt a bit of wax to coat the tampon and the cotton pads. I'm going to use non-stick baking paper and stainless steel bowl just to melt all the candles in. Once the wax is melted, I'm going to use metal pliers just to lift it. Need to be careful with hot wax. And next I'm going to fry the tampon. Making sure it's fully submerged and coated well. And after a few seconds in the hot wax, I'm just gonna lay it on the baking paper, allowing it to cool down and solidify. And now for the comparison in this experiment, I'm just going to add some cotton pads as well. Let them cool down once they are submerged and long enough in the wax. To test how waterproof they are, I'm going to submerge them in water for 5 minutes and then see if I can light them. Now, straight after taking them from the water, I'm going to try and light both of them. And I'm going to time it to see how long they remain lit. In my previous experiment, the cotton pad remained lit for about 7 minutes plus. Let's see if this time we get more. So the first learning for now, takes much longer to light the tampon opposed to the cotton pad. Now I'm going to test if the pad or the tampon remain lit longer. So in this experiment, from efficiency perspective, the tampon seems to be the winner. However, the cotton pad is much easier to light. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.